everybody. We are at Ocean View today. So we're going through, it's just in the beginning parts of the renovation. Demo has been done and a little bit of painting. So we should see a lot of progress on this project coming up in the next few weeks. But here's where we're at right now. All right. We have an accent wall that is completed. Looks like it just needs paint. Some of the flooring come in. And with this project, we decided to go ahead and keep the kitchen cabinets. So these are going to get cleaned up nice, get a new coat of paint, get new knobs. They were in fairly good condition, so we decided in order to save a little bit of money to go ahead and keep them. So for this renovation, this isn't an all-out, pull all the stops renovation. We actually picked up this property for it to be a fast renovation, and we're letting our contractors handle everything from A to Z, including the paint colors, the design, the tile, and everything. So this is something that's a little bit new for us, but we wanted to see what this looked like to work in this capacity so we can have more time to do more things, like buy more Airbnbs and just really grow our business. So we decided actually not to do tile in this project because we don't necessarily need to tile the floors, which can be really costly. So we're gonna run LVP throughout the entire house, and we decided to go ahead and keep this bathtub, but go ahead and replace the vanity and the toilet. Those are some really simple, not too expensive things to do, is replace the vanity and replace the toilet, but it really does upgrade the bathroom. And then coming in, it's just a little cutie. It's a smaller house, and again, we picked it up just to be a little bit of a lighter renovation. There was some water damage on the floor, so we obviously had to have that fixed. But in this bathroom, we are going to tile the shower. So we pulled the shower out, and we're going to make a nice pop shower, brand new vanity, brand new toilet, just to give the master a little bit of oomph, I guess you should say. So yeah, this is it. It's super cute. It's got vaulted ceilings. It's a very desirable area, and we're actually going to be able to sell at a price point where I think it'll go super fast, especially for this area. We're actually renovating. We just finished renovation right up the road, and we're closing on another one just a few minutes from here next week. So we're kind of hot and heavy in this area, which is also fun because all our projects are right around each other, and we're getting to really understand the market, what people want, what people like. So yeah, this is the rundown of Ocean View. It's got a nice backyard too. This is a family area with great schools, so I'm sure it will go fast.